Hello, welcome to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. I'm Nicole. In today's video, we are talking about Dialogue 3, Lesson 9 of HSK2. After today's lesson, you will grab how to say find in Chinese. Before we start our today's content, don't forget to subscribe my channel, then you wouldn't miss our future content. Okay, let's dive in. 你知道吗? Do you know? You know? 知道 know. 大卫找到工作了，找到了 So this thing already happened. 找到 found. 找到工作了 found the job. Do you know that? David found a job. 找 This is find in Chinese and generally be used to find a job, stuff, and also find a partner. 找工作，找手机，找房子。If you successfully found it, that one is 找到。If you failed to find something, 没找到。An example, 我下个月房子就到期了，所以最近在找房子。太好了 Excellent, great. 他从什么时候开始上班？从 the time 开始 since when start to do something. He from when start go to work. So when does he start working? 从下个星期一开始。下个星期一 next Monday. All of the weeks 星期 we have measure word 个 Last week 上个星期Next week, 下个星期 Because if you see the all of the weeks on your calendar, the last week is on the top of this week, and the next week is underneath of this week. The month, 上个月，下个月 A quick question for you. How to say this week, this month? Let me know in the comment. 这是他的第一个工作。第一个工作 the first job 第一个 we mentioned on dialogue 2 the first 希望他能喜欢 hope he can like it hope he will like it the word 找到 找 is find 到 means arrive they combined together means found actually this structure related to our dialogue 4 an important grammar in Chinese, which we called result complement. Okay, I will see you in dialogue 4 soon. Bye bye.